Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a maintenance declutter of my kitchen. There are several hidden areas of clutter that can really build up in the kitchen. My kitchen tends to be a magnet for everything in my house that comes in, like the kids' projects, decorations, things from the holidays, projects, all different types of like goodie bags, house things, and just random stuff like favors from parties. All that kind of stuff gets tossed in my kitchen and left in my kitchen just to be dealt with at a future date, and I feel like I'm always putting that off. Speaking of putting things off, here we are a month later and the gingerbread houses are still going strong. So it was finally time to get rid of them. Just like little Happy Meals, stuff like that, toys, tons of mail. Like if you just let it stack up, it just never gets put away. I find that nobody ever tosses anything. So another big thing is in your cabinets or your cupboards, whatever you want to call them. I have so many mugs. You don't need this many mugs. At least I don't. And I feel like there are other things that I would like to store in there. I have some plates that are up in the attic. So I'm going to be getting rid of several mugs and glasses that we never use, package them up, and bring them down to the Goodwill. Another hot spot is my corner cabinet that has all of like the water bottles and kids' cups, things that we have been collecting for years. It's just such a source of anxiety and clutter. I'm sure you can relate if this kind of stuff bothers you too. It's just so much stuff and it's just sitting there. It's never being used. It's old, a lot of it. It just needs to be put in the recycling bin. A little tip. So what I like to do is I have a garbage bag, like separate from my regular garbage in the kitchen. I have my recycling, and then I also have a box for like donate or, who you're going to give it away to. So if you have those three things, it makes this process very easy. So you can just, put them in a pile like this is going here, that's going there, and so forth. So I do keep a basket in my kitchen cabinet. I don't know how these Happy Meal, we must have 20 of them, honestly. I'm just going to keep 2, and then I'll use them for like the beach or like outside. We don't need to keep all of them. So anyway, so this basket, I like to keep like all of my coupons and any like important immediate mail, like things that are important. But of course, things get left in, catalogs from Christmas, old invitations that I never tossed, school pictures, just random things. So I like to go through and organize my coupons that I'm going to keep, and then everything else gets either tossed or put away where it needs to go. Another thing is wine glasses. I have so many wine glasses. We don't even drink wine. So I'm going to go ahead and pass those on to someone who will appreciate it. And then just start going through the rest of the drawers here in my island. Make sure things are staying nice and organized, or there's not a ton of like old expired food. Another area of the kitchen is the Tupperware. So where you keep your Tupperware, I recommend going through, getting rid of any of the extra tops or bottoms or things that are stained or they maybe don't belong to you. Keep the bare minimum and get rid of the rest. Another area that I'm having to go through all the time, which I'm sure you guys can appreciate and understand, is the junk drawer, or just a drawer in your kitchen that seems to collect everything. So I like to just keep what we actually need and what we're using in there and get rid of the rest. Cords tend to collect here. There's cords that are broken. You don't need it. Just get rid of it. This next one, kids' school projects, can be a little bit tough, especially if you are sentimental or you have like attachment. I definitely struggle with this. So I just separate everything, things that I'm going to be taking a picture of, things that I'm absolutely keeping, Then I take a picture, keep what I want to keep for their scrapbooks, and get rid of the rest. So that is this week's video. I'll see you guys next week.